fresh potatoes are harvested from the soil and loaded onto conveyor belts in the potato farm. Large harvesting machines collect potatoes while soil and debris fall away. Potatoes are transferred into transport trucks for delivery to the processing plant. A truck filled with potatoes arrives at the French fry factory. Potatoes are unloaded onto steel conveyors inside the factory. High-pressure water sprays wash dirt and residue from the potatoes. Rotating brushes scrub the potato skins until they are clean. Optical sorting machines inspect each potato for quality. Rejected potatoes are removed while good ones continue forward. Potatoes enter peeling machines where skins are mechanically removed. Peeled potatoes slide smoothly onto cutting conveyors. High-speed blades cut potatoes into long French fry shapes. Uniform fries fall neatly onto moving conveyor belts. Cold water washes excess starch from the cut fries. The fries enter a steam blanching tunnel. Steam partially cooks the fries to stabilize their texture. Warm air dries moisture from the surface of the fries. Inspection cameras check the size and color of every fry. Vegetable oil is lightly sprayed onto the fries. The fries move into a large industrial fryer filled with hot oil. Fries are quickly fried to create a crispy outer layer. Excess oil drips off as fries exit the fryer. Cooling air reduces the temperature of the fried fries. The fries move into a freezing tunnel. Cold air rapidly freezes the fries to lock in freshness. Ice crystals form on the surface of the frozen fries. Frozen fries travel on stainless steel conveyors. Weighing machines measure precise portions of fries. Frozen fries drop into automatic packaging machines. Plastic bags are filled with frozen fries. The bags are heat sealed to keep the fries fresh. Batch numbers and dates are printed on each package. Quality control checks the sealed French fry bags. Robotic arms stack packaged fries into cardboard boxes. Boxes move along conveyor belts toward cold storage. Pallets of French fries are assembled by automated machines. Shrink wrap tightly secures the boxes on each pallet. Finished pallets are labeled for shipment. Forklifts transport pallets into the refrigerated warehouse. Rows of frozen French fry pallets fill the cold storage area. Cold air circulates to keep the fries frozen. Warehouse workers prepare pallets for shipping. Pallets are loaded into refrigerated trucks. Truck doors close to protect the frozen fries. The truck prepares to transport fries to distribution centers. A wide view shows the full French fry production facility. Machinery continues running as fries move through every stage. Freshly frozen fries are visible inside clear packaging. Automated systems keep production flowing smoothly. Another pallet of finished fries is moved into storage. Cold warehouse lights reflect off frozen packaging. The production line runs continuously without stopping. Final quality inspection ensures each package meets standards. Ready-to-ship French fries are organized for delivery. The complete French fry manufacturing process is now finished.